If you are in an emergency and dial 999 but don't have mobile or Wi-Fi service, you can use Satellite SOS to contact emergency services for help. First, dial 999. If your phone can't connect, you'll see the Satellite SOS icon pop up after a few seconds. Tap the Satellite SOS icon. Tap Start. To provide information about your emergency, answer the on-screen questions. To notify your emergency contacts, tap Notify. If you don't want your emergency contacts to receive your location and emergency information, tap Don't Notify. To connect to the satellite, follow the on-screen prompts to correctly position your phone. You'll need to be outside with a clear view of the sky and not under any building awnings or trees. Once you're connected to the satellite, emergency service providers will contact you within a few minutes. To receive replies, make sure that you stay connected to the satellite and keep your phone steady. When the conversation is over, you can either stay connected to emergency services or end the satellite session by tapping End. If you still need help and want emergency assistance, tap Yes, I still need help. This will end the satellite connection and emergency services will still come to your location. If you no longer need assistance, tap No, I don't need help, and emergency responders will not arrive at your location.